Suppose I want to add 3 zeros before all these numbers. See what happens if I try to do this thing manually. We'll type in 3 zeros. Now the number. Enter. The zeros are automatically deleted. Again. So let me show you how to add zeros before numbers in Excel. In the formula bar, equal, type in rept for repeat function, open parentheses. First argument of repeat function is text. We want to repeat 0, comma. Second argument number of times. We want the 0 to be repeated 3 times. 3, close parentheses, ampersand. Select the cell containing number. Enter. See, 3 zeros are added before the number. Now copy this formula into the cells below.